Making great first impressions. The importance of expressing pleasure in introductions. Hello, English learners. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial aspect of social interactions, expressing pleasure when meeting someone new. This is an essential step in building rapport and establishing connections. Expressing pleasure can make others feel valued and welcomed, and it can set the stage for a positive and productive relationship. When we talk about expressing pleasure in introductions, we're referring to the act of showing that you're happy or pleased to meet the other person. This could be through verbal expressions, body language, or even the tone of your voice. It's all about making the other person feel that you genuinely appreciate the chance to meet them. Expressing pleasure is important because it can establish a positive tone for the conversation. When you express pleasure in meeting someone, it sets the stage for a friendly, positive interaction. It also shows that you value the other person and their time. This is a crucial first step in building rapport and establishing a connection. There are many ways to express pleasure during introductions. One of the most common phrases is simply, "It's nice to meet you." Other phrases can include, "I'm delighted to meet you," "I'm pleased to meet you," or "It's a pleasure to meet you." Remember, expressing pleasure isn't just about the words you say. It's also about how you say them. Make sure your tone of voice and body language match your words. A warm smile and a friendly tone can go a long way in making the other person feel welcomed and appreciated. Expressing pleasure is a fundamental part of building rapport and establishing connections. When you express pleasure in meeting someone, you're showing that you value the interaction and are interested in getting to know them. This can make the other person feel more comfortable and open, which can help in building a stronger connection. Practice makes perfect. Try practicing expressing pleasure in different situations, with friends, family, or even in front of a mirror. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. And remember, sincerity is key. Genuine expressions of pleasure will always be more effective than insincere ones. So there you have it, understanding the importance of expressing pleasure when meeting someone new. It's a simple but powerful way to build rapport and establish connections. We hope you found this video helpful, and remember, keep practicing. We're pleased to have shared this time with you and look forward to seeing you in our next lesson. Happy learning!